Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can change the font size of this Microsoft Word document here. Yes, the font size and also the font style. Very important. So the one thing that you wanted to do, if you notice right up here, secure body, but if you click right here, this itself give you a different type of style that you really want. If you notice, different type of style. So if I come right here and I block the first paragraph and I come right here, you notice each one of the style that I put it on, you notice it actually change right here. So this is how you can actually change the font style right here. If you notice, I can actually come right here and scroll down some more. Just the same, you notice there are several right up here. Put it just the same, right? So notice you change the font style. Now you want to put the size a bit up, right? You can actually come right here. You notice right is 11. I come like that. If you notice, the size actually come up. But if you notice right over here, you see this big A. If you come like this and click on the big A, notice increase. You come right up on the small A, I decrease it just the same. Or you can come back right here and do the same, just the same. Right? So that's exactly how you actually change the font style and the font size right here in Microsoft Word document. So if you learn something, just remember to share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.